Oh, we made it. We survived. I'm here. I'm exhausted. But we're gonna go find Charlie. Yesterday was a write-off. I wasn't gonna record shit, but yesterday was nice. Hi.
Are you filming?
Yeah, look.
Oh,
here.
God, you creeper.
Look, it looks so good.
Oh, doesn't it just? Oh, that's gonna do some damage.
Oh. How do I zoom in this bitch? The zoom is really good. The zoom is so good. Charlie, I have your face. Like, literally just your face.
You need to use 500 tons of it to make coffee not black.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi.
This was a great buy.
Goodbye.
Kisses.
Oh, we're so cute. We're pale. I can't wait to come back tan.
Right? I already did that organic whitening thing, so I'm white, lily fucking white right now.
Ooh, shit.
Bye, guys.
Bye. It's not even focused on you.
There it is already.
What? Oh, paper straws.
Oh, this is terrible. Make them bigger at least. You know?
What time is it?
Time's it. past. They'll make him a bit of time on the flight.
God.
Business travellers. So you see, the problem is, it's like a phone. We're looking at it's like a FaceTime when you're looking at.
Look at the camera's right there. Not up at yourself. Stupid.
This is the first day of my life. That's where I was born, right in the doorway. Without the rain, suddenly everything changed. They're spreading blankets on the beach. Yours is the first face that I saw. That's where I was blind before I met you.
Oh, but of course.
You know where I am, I don't know where I've been, but I know where I want to go. So I thought I'd let you know. These things take forever, and I especially am slow. But I really...
So Charlie's writing an angry email.
I'm beyond anger now.
Sending an angry and irritated review because we didn't get picked up from the airport.
Negative.
By our transportation situations. We did a cab, which is fine. It all got sorted. Our cab driver was very sweet. But we're now waiting to climb up. How many steps?
Truly terrible service in every 480? 70 something?
Something like that. Anyway, we're gonna go up the Duomo. Duomo.
Thank you.
Realize that I need you, and I wondered if you would come home. Remember the time you drove all night?
Let me just get my breath back.
Just to meet me in the morning. You said it was strange that everything changed. You felt as if you
This is like St. Paul's.
just woke up. You said this is the first day of our life. I'm glad I didn't die before.
Where's the glass? Yeah, better place.
demon over there, the pitchfork.
Yeah.
We went to
Oh, I didn't know any of
When we
this.
went to see.
And then we're going up there.
That's the old. That's what they used to. You see how it's shaped? They used to call it. Remember when we learned that? The mouth of hell. When it opens up and it swallows up. Really positive imagery. You know?
So there is one more layer up top.
Do you know? I bet this has been installed recently. Do you remember? Because we were in.
Oh yeah, because St. Paul's and somebody fell. Yeah, that was.
This lady's like.
Oh.
Surprise.
This is just.
What is that guy doing? Some demon.
There's some really interesting art going on up here right now.
So you see, it's the different layers, obviously.
Well, no, the guy
You see the kings and the families on the top, above the ledge, as if they're looking down, and just.
Crazy. I'm just gonna say.
What a vivid imagination.
Vivid imagery we have here. What vivid.
But you see that, look, he's actually.
Can you look at the zoom on this thing, please, Charles? Look.
And you know, but look at the 3 faces of hell. It's actually got 3 faces, and he's eating 3 individuals through each of them.
Well, I think also
3 different faces.
up there might
My eyeballs.
Yeah.
My eyeballs are so watery right now.
We're blowing it again.
No. I need eye drops.
I met you. 'Cause now I don't care, I can go anywhere.
It's like Game of Thrones. I'm in the Red Keep.
I feel like just as the high set was blown.
Right? Just need a couple of dragons.
Dearest Tom with this guys. Thug life.
With you, and you know, I'd probably be happy. But if you want to be with me, well, these things take forever, and we'll just have to wait and see.
What the fuck? What the? We made it.
Oh, what is?
What?
There's something. Maybe it's the mixing of creams. But
What?
there's more. Look.
I don't know what
It's
that
not blue. This
is.
is orange. Oh, I know what it is.
What?
It's your hair.
How is it my hair?
Look. We're on top
Made it.
of a house of a ball.
Have to wait and see. I'd rather be working for a paycheck than be home for the lottery. 'Cause this time I think it's different. I really think it's
Filming.
Yeah.
Little creeper.
like me.
Okay. Like a dome and like a tiered 2 tower thing. You don't want like
Right, right.
off-centre. That's the Tuscan sexy way. You know?
Right.
The 3-headed dog of hell, Charon over there.
Why are you yelling? Stop it.
Charon, yes.
Shut up, Charlie. It literally says quiet. Silent, please. Jesus. See, we were there. Now we are up here. A lot closer. And it's down there. Is the cathedral. And that's not pain in the ass.
That's your man. Look. What is it? No, many of these people are just that's what they enjoy. There's a devil there, like. No, these are just the scaffolds.
It's what the butchering tools. You said you would sit there and read it all day.
You know as well as I do, we're going to find some torture museums. What are your favourite?
Oh, I'm down. Oh, why don't we...
Just get drunk.
It's just gonna be a vlog about you.
And my habits.
Yeah.
Florentino. Delicious.
This is Charles' PSA to anybody who's trying to reach out to him via Facebook. He won't.
It's really WhatsApp or text. I don't understand text is expensive, so.
WhatsApp it is.
Yeah.
If you got his number.
But sometimes I think some people have tried this on 07.
I mean, if you have his. Why are you gonna say that shit out loud if I post this? If you have his number, hit him up. If you don't.
Or give me my email.
SOL.
You can get on my email. My email is good. You don't think I should give out my email? Right, all those bitches. Maybe I should give my email out. An ego boost is always welcome.
I dare you. I dare you.
Everybody likes a compliment. Everybody likes a compliment. No one likes a stalker though. Well, let's not name names.
Oh, it's so fucking hot. Luckily the AC in here is just on point because Christ alive, I am fucking tired. Charlie went down to go change our key because our key isn't working right now apparently, so he had to go get a new one, but I'm here. Anyway, one thing that I didn't show you is we walked up the bell tower, so another 300 fucking steps. And his ass had the audacity to say let's go to the gym earlier, so I'm glad we didn't go to the gym because that was the gym. Like, I did a whole ass Stairmaster day today and it's hot as balls. Like, I'm so exhausted. But we're gonna go to the pool. We're gonna chill the fuck out. Hi Charles.
Hey.
How are you feeling?
Hot.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, sexy.
I'm dead.
Well.